I'm Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and I'm out here at the Raypak factory in California. I'm sitting here today with Gavin, the sales manager for Raypak. Gavin, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So today we're going to be talking about the Raypak 8450 heat pump. It's one of our best-selling units. Gavin, why is that?
I think that historically, when pool heater sizing comes into play, people like the theory of being safer than being more sorry. So the 8450 is actually 130,000, 120,000 BTUs of energy. As a result, you can heat up most pools within a reasonable amount of time. And if you had a hot tub, you could also do that as well. The theory really behind heat pumps is to set it at your set point temperature and then leave it alone. Don't treat it like an on and off unit.
One of the features of the 8450 heat pump is a titanium heat exchanger. Why do you use titanium in the unit?
Titanium is more resistant to harsh environments that the salt systems are creating nowadays. Also, another byproduct of salt systems is electrolysis, and the heat exchanger is resistant to that as well.
What kind of warranty does the 8450 heat pump come with?
So the 8450 comes with a 2-year bumper to bumper. We cover everything, parts and labor. It comes with a 7-year parts warranty where we only supply the part, and we cover 10 years on the heat exchanger.
So we know that the Raypak 8450 heat pump heats the pool, but it also chills it, correct?
It does, it does. You have to order it that way. You have to order a PR 8450 TIEHC, and then you'll have a heat and a chill.
For a customer looking to replace an existing heat pump, how is Raypak the way to go?
Well, Raypak is truly a brand to be trusted. We are owned by Rheem, who makes more heat pumps in a week than all other pool product manufacturers do in a year.
Well, Gavin, thanks for sitting down with us today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks again for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Absolutely. And for all you guys, if you have any questions about the 8450 heat pump or you'd like to make a purchase, check us out on easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.